Hi, Casey here with Wildlife ABQ. I just wanted to shoot a quick video about environment. So when we're treating different diseases, we often use the S.H.I.N.E protocol. It's sleep, hormones, infection, inflammation, nutrition, and then the E stands for environment and exercise goes into environment as well because in the environment we talk about toxins. And part of your environment, of course, is the air you breathe. And we've all been breathing some pretty bad air lately. I've had a lot of patients talk about sore throats and asthma flare-ups, allergies, and I'm one of them. I don't have asthma, but my throat's always kind of a little scratchy, and I definitely have some allergies. So trying to manage those symptoms, but I'm doing what I can in my environment. And so part of that is I have one of these HEPA filters in my house, and I run it constantly and never turn it off. And I do keep up with my filters, and I change my HEPA filter about every 6 months, even though a lot of them will actually say 12 months. And the other day I was noticing in my filter that it seemed to have a lot of debris around it, a lot of dust and whatnot. So I thought, oh, I better check it out. And so I went in, and the primary filter, which is just kind of a little reusable thing, was completely just lots of dust. And so I cleaned that up the other day because it was nasty. And then my carbon filter definitely had a ton of debris on it. And so I switched that out. And that's supposed to be switched every month. And I was not so great about that. And then I noticed that my filter in my machine was actually completely black. I have never seen it like this, and I replaced it. I looked back on my order history. I had replaced it in June. Whenever I need a filter, I just order a new one, so I don't keep one in stock. So June was the date. I'm positive about it. And so it's only been a few months. It was completely black, and I was like, wow, I was really shocked. So I ordered another one. And you can see the difference here, how bad it is. I've never seen my filter look like that. And so it is time to swap that thing out, and so I can breathe some better air. But this just shows you how bad the smoke has been over the past, what feels like months now, with all the fires and the whatnots around. So that is all done. Hopefully I'm getting that right there. And so there's my new clean air. And so again, we follow the S.H.I.N.E protocol when we're treating diseases: sleep, hormones, infection, inflammation, nutrition, and environment. And part of environment is toxins, and the air you breathe is part of the toxins. And when you are loading up your body with toxins and you're either not helping it with antioxidants, or you're not doing things to get rid of the toxins like exercise, sweating, breathing, then you can get pretty ill and have some pretty significant symptoms. And so the different ways we handle that is through antioxidants and different things. But managing your environment is one of the biggest things you can do. And as far as our treatment plans go, we tend to push off the E and kind of towards the end, although we should probably put it up front. But it's one of the hardest things for people to do, because you do have to upend your environment a little bit, and everybody in your household experiences the changes that you make in the environment of your life. So we usually save that for last, but you should always keep it in mind. So make sure if you have a filter that you check it out and get it changed if it looks like mine did. Casey with Wildlife ABQ. Thanks.